I hold up a jar. James points at a hill. And Richard eats a sandwich.
This is BBC One. We're interrupting our programme for a BBC News report.
Hello, we have some breaking news. London's iconic Big Ben clock tower has been attacked by an unknown person. The top of the tower has collapsed, smashing into the Houses of Parliament, killing Jacob Mock, Matt Hancock, and Nicola Sturgeon. More on the story later.
With high hearts and growing confidence, we will now accelerate.
BBC Television from London. This is BBC Television from London. After the Big Ben attackings earlier, we will not tolerate these actions by India. Boris Johnson has ordered to send nuclear missiles to them to shut them up. They will pass over London. Do not panic, they will not cause any damage to the London area. If you have young children, we advise you to cover their ears, as the missiles are loud. This will trigger air raid sirens in the area. Do not panic, as you may cause chaos. This is David Roberts. We are live from South London, where police are calming people down. In a few minutes the air raid siren will play. There we go. As you can hear, it is going off. This is the end of this broadcast, as people are advised to take shelter. Thank you, and goodbye. David Roberts signing off.
This is a national emergency. The nuclear warhead has exploded and landed in central London, and will explode in the next 5 minutes. Seek shelter now or face certain death.